My second takeaway was around risks and benefits, and that they're really dependent on the scale of your organization. We know risk-taking is an important part of both business and our actual lives, and that we take risks in order to achieve a benefit. At Cloud Field Day, we saw two different approaches to delivering on-premises cloud infrastructure. The most common approach, the one we've seen the most often, is to use a virtualization platform and layer some cloud self-service and infrastructure as code on top of this. And that's what we saw from the HPE Morpheus team. Take your existing virtualization platform, and Morpheus doesn't particularly care which one you've got, and layer Morpheus on top to give you an on-premises cloud solution. Uses existing constructs, it uses your existing knowledge and experience of your team, and it also is really good for coexisting with less cloud-like applications and workloads. The approach we saw from Oxide was quite different. They did a ground-up rebuild, and they cast off all of the legacy constructs that we had from previous generations. They did a clean slate design of what would you want for a really scalable on-premises cloud infrastructure. This suits delivering real cloud applications, but it doesn't really leverage things that you've had before. Now, the surprise in this is that we expect smaller companies to take smaller risks. The surprise in this is that we expect the smaller companies to be able to be more agile and accept these larger risks. Yet, the reverse is true here. Smaller companies will typically take that first strategy of taking what you already have and layering a cloud infrastructure on top of that. So the Morpheus on-premises cloud, nicely with Morpheus, it becomes hybrid cloud as well because they can manage your public cloud resources. But the redesign that's inherent in Oxide really pays off for large organizations. The organizations where a 10% power saving doesn't change your costs by $100 a month. It may well change your cost by $100,000 a month if you're saving 10% on your power or 15% on your operational costs. And so larger organizations tend to be taking that bigger risk of implementing that ground-up redesign and actually getting a real cloud infrastructure on premises, not a cloud layer on top of a conventional infrastructure.